They have a foul to give, and there it is as Pachulia knocks down Westbrook, then stands over him. It's certainly going to take a look at that.
Wednesday night's Thunder-Warriors game was a bit chippy, and OKC guard Russell Westbrook says he plans on getting back at Zaza Pachulia for the hard foul the Warriors center laid on him.
I don't know. He hit me kind of hard, but sorry, I'm going to get his ass back. Straight up.
Now, Pachulia received a flagrant 1 foul on the play for standing over Westbrook, but the center said after the game he thought it was a good play, saying a foul is a foul. If it was a hard foul, it was a hard foul. If he got hurt, that's fine too. It's part of the game. As for the game, the Warriors defeated the Thunder 121-100. Westbrook did record his 21st triple-double of the season in a losing effort.